Inside every beehive, a clear, almost perfect system is at work. It's not just a colony of insects, it's a well-organized state where everyone knows their place, their role, and their mission. The world of bees is a hierarchy refined by nature over millions of years. And if you look closely, you'll see just how wisely it is designed. At the center of the hive is the queen. She is the heart of the colony, the only one capable of laying eggs. She is responsible for the reproduction and survival of the entire swarm. A queen can live up to 5 years and lay up to 2,000 eggs a day. She is fed, cared for, and attended by special bees, the court workers. She never abandons her duty. Her task is to give life. But the queen is only one part of this complex system. Most of the hive consists of worker bees, all of them female, yet unable to reproduce. And here is where the true magic happens. Throughout her life, a worker bee changes occupations as if moving up a career ladder. And this path is determined not by anyone's orders, but by her own biological program. In the first days after birth, she becomes a cleaner, preparing and disinfecting the cells and keeping the hive sterile. A few days later, her role changes. She becomes a nurse, taking care of the larvae and feeding them royal jelly or honey mixed with bee bread. After that, she enters the builder phase, producing wax and constructing new honeycomb cells. Then she becomes a guard, standing watch at the hive entrance and protecting the colony from intruders. And finally, in the last weeks of her life, she becomes a forager, the bee we see on flowers. She brings nectar, pollen, propolis, and everything necessary for the hive's survival. Now let's remember another caste, the drones, the male bees. Their purpose is singular, to mate with the queen. They do not gather honey, do not protect the hive, and do not work inside it. Their biological mission is simple, to ensure the continuation of the colony. But the important thing is that without them, the hive cannot survive for long. Yet when autumn comes and resources become scarce, the workers drive the drones out because the colony cannot afford to support non-working members through the winter. This entire structure is held together not just by instinct, but by pheromones, the chemical signals bees use to communicate. The queen regulates the colony with her royal scent. Workers share information about food sources through the famous waggle dance, scientifically proven by Carl von Frisch, a discovery that earned him the Nobel Prize. There is no chaos in the hive, only clear roles, responsibility, and harmony. It is a remarkable example of how small creatures can build astonishingly efficient systems. The hierarchy is proof that even in the smallest world, great wisdom can thrive. And the more we study it, the more we understand. Bees are not just insects. They are architects of nature, guardians of harvests, and a true symbol of what a perfect team can be.